Welcome to AlzRisk, our prototype for estimating early Alzheimer's conversion risk with an interactive Streamlit dashboard. In this short demo, I'll show you how to access the code, launch the dashboard, and explore risk predictions step by step. First, clone the repository and create a fresh Python virtual environment, just as described in the README. Next, install the required packages from requirements.txt. This gives you Streamlit, scikit-learn, and the helper utilities used in the app and notebooks. With the environment ready, launch the Streamlit app by running streamlit run app/streamlit_app_multi_source.py from the project root. When the app opens, you'll see the AlzRisk dashboard. The sidebar lets you choose which data source to explore, while the main panel displays previews and metrics. Pick a data source from the sidebar to preview rows, check label balances, and understand what features go into the model. When trained model artifacts are available, the app surfaces risk scores, ROC and PR curves, and calibration views so you can judge how trustworthy the probabilities are. For this hackathon submission, we ship only small sample datasets. If a real contest file isn't present, the app seamlessly falls back to synthetic data, so you can still exercise the pipeline. If you prefer a notebook workflow, you can open AlzRisk_submission.ipynb from the project root and run it top to bottom with restart and run all. The notebook automatically finds a local NPZ file, loads the sample features and labels, and converts the targets into a clean 1D label vector before training our baseline model. At the end of the run, the notebook prints an AlzRisk baseline results summary. You'll see the model's overall accuracy, a macro ROC-AUC score that averages performance across all classes, and a confirmation that the trained model has been saved to the artifacts/AlzRisk_model.pkl file. This gives you a quick, reproducible snapshot of how the baseline performs, independent of the Streamlit app. That's the AlzRisk prototype, an end-to-end pipeline and dashboard for exploring Alzheimer's conversion risk. You'll find setup steps and links in the README. Thanks for watching.